Hey dear friend, welcome to my channel. Here I'm gonna show you how you can prepare chicken mandi easily with oven. First we need to prepare mandi masala. Add 1 tablespoon coriander seed, 1 teaspoon cardamom, 1 teaspoon cloves, 1 piece cinnamon stick, make it as a small pieces, 1 tablespoon pepper, half teaspoon fennel seed, 1 dry lemon, half teaspoon cumin seed. Roast all the ingredients 5 minutes while it's warm, then add to the grinder and grind it into a fine powder. Next, marinate the chicken with masala. Here I use 500 grams chicken, add 1 teaspoon masala, mix it well and add required amount of salt. Keep it aside or keep in refrigerator at least 30 minutes. Next we need to prepare fried onion. Here I take 2 small onion. Fry the onion until slightly golden in color. Here I take 2 cup rice. Soak it for 30 minutes. I choose big glass bowl for mandi preparation. Glass or ceramic or stainless steel, you can use as your wish. Add fried onions, 2 tablespoon raisins, a cinnamon stick, few cardamoms and required amount of salt. Add wash and drained 2 cup basmati rice. Every 1 cup rice you need to add 1.5 cup hot water. Mix it well. Cover the bowl with aluminum foil, covering 2 layers. Make holes with knife. Place the marinated chicken on the top. Place the bowl along with the chicken in a preheated oven. Bake it for 1 hour at 180 degrees Celsius. The chicken mandi is ready to eat now. If you have charcoal, there is another last step. Place the hot coal inside the cup, pour a spoon of ghee on the coal. It will begin to smoke. Immediately cover the pan for 10 minutes. It gives extra flavor and taste. Try this easy mandi recipe and serve it for your family and enjoy the food time. Meet you soon with another video. Thank you.